What's up, everybody? It's Ben here with Srkcycles.com, and today I have a 2000 Moto Guzzi Quota 1100 ES. I'm going to take a quick walk around this thing so you can see it up close and personal. Let's just jump right into it. Starting in the back here, we got the tires got tons of tread on them. Good to go for a lot of miles. So you have that. And it is shaft drive, so you have the shaft over on this side. Coming up underneath, of course, you have the rear fender here. Got this sort of reflective tape on it. Got the two turn signals. Got the tail light up here. All this stuff's looking good. So up here you have the Hepco and Becker trunk. That's a nice addition. I'm gonna throw a few things in there. You want to run back and forth to work. Good thing to do that. Got the racks here for the bags. I do not have the bags, but if you're looking at getting this bike, it's nice to have the racks there already. Of course, you have the exhaust there. Have your passenger peg, have your rider peg, have your brake pedal there. Yeah, your rear brake. Of course, you have your motor in here. See all that, and your transmission. You can see the seat up there. Here on the side. So there's like these little like red marks. It almost looks like it's paint. Somebody's painting something like a fence next to it because it's on there. It's on the seat a little bit. It is a little hard to see, but it is there. Of course, you have your Moto Guzzi badge up there. Got your model there. I'm honestly not even sure how to say that. I say Quota. Maybe it's Quota. No idea. No idea. I'm not even gonna guess. I always get raked across the coals when I mispronounce stuff, so I'm sticking with Quota. It's easy to say. We're spinning it around. So you can see that front fork. Got that coming down to that front brake. Of course, you have the spoke front wheel. Same thing here. All this stuff's looking good. There's your front brake there. Spoke front wheel. Front fender's looking good. Again, there are those red spots. There's one right there, right there, right there. Yeah, it looks like paint. It's not coming off. Your front tire there has plenty of tread. Good to go for a lot of miles. Got your headlight up here. Got turn signal, and you have your windscreen and mirrors and whatnot. Keep on spinning it. Jump in on this side. Got the Quota 1100 ES there. Got your Moto Guzzi badge up on the tank. All this stuff's looking pretty good. Some light marks in through here. Just want to point that out. Show you as much of the motor as I can. There's all that. Of course, you have your rider peg, got your shifter, got your passenger peg. It does have a side stand and a center stand. Throw it up on the center stand if you're gonna park it for a while. Got your swing arm coming back there, the rear wheel. There again is the rack for the bags. There's the trunk from this side. So up here on the seat has some marks here. I want to point out, I think this is a little like a little tear. And then of course, like I mentioned, it has these like little red dots on it. I think it's from some paint. There's that. The rest of the seams are in nice shape though. So all that stuff is good to go. So we're gonna come up here on the tank. You should have your fuel cap. Side of your clutch, controls, got your throttle, kill switch, brake, and you have your gauges up here. This bike has 44,839 miles. There'll be a few more than that after the test drive. If you're interested in this bike, make sure you check out the test drive video on YouTube. Let's fire this thing up. Kill switch is off. That. Make sure these turn signals work. Jumping up in the front. There's your signal there. Signal on this side. Same side in the back. And the other side in the back. Alright guys, like I said, this is a 2000 Moto Guzzi Quota 1100 ES. It's got almost 45,000 miles on it. If you're interested in this machine, make sure you check out the test drive video on YouTube and check out the bike at srkcycles.com. Thanks so much for watching, guys.